Welcome, 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 welcome. I don't think I've done this before. Okay, I'm fixing to cut up the Galangal Root. It's a type of Thai ginger, and most people cut it with a knife. This bad boy, it's like it's a root. So I go at it with my tool for Thanksgiving. Smells good. Can you smell it? What you do is you put this into flavor your chicken or any types of soup, tomcat or well you can, or basically any type of soup. It comes in a dried and a fresh. This is a fresh. And I got hooked on the fresh. I tried dry first. And then I tried the fresh. And the fresh is just so much better because I like to cut it thin, as you can see. And after it's boiled in your soup, or in my soup, I eat it. It won't hurt you. It's good. And I know I'm going to get a bunch of flack about doing it this way. They're going to say, are you just too lazy to use a knife? No. No, I'm not too lazy to use a knife. I used to do it with a knife. Then I figured, hey, I got this nice invention here that that sits around all year, until Thanksgiving rolls around. And then it's only used for Thanksgiving. So, And I think they cost about $15 or so. And see, some of this is kind of tough, like you're seeing now. So this makes it go really fast and easy. And whatever's too tough, you just use it to flavor, and you don't eat it. I think you're smart enough, you'll figure that out real quick. Now I use this pretty quick. A lot of people will say, why are you just going to put it in a Ziploc bag? You could wrap it individually in wax paper or whatever. And let me tell you, I guess you're only supposed to put a few little slices in the soup, but I put a bunch because I like the taste. Now with a regular knife, I'd probably be a quarter of the way through is all. So this is just this is just a way to do it, to make it fast because I can't stand on my legs very long anyway. This Galangal root will last me probably a few weeks. I eat a lot of, pardon me, I eat a lot of Thai food, so it won't last long. And as you see, nothing is going to waste. Nothing, I mean nothing. And guess what? We're done. So there you go, folks. That's just a quick and easy way to cut your galangal root. Or any type of root that you want to cut that's, why not use that bad boy? I mean, it sits around all year. You probably don't even know if it works or not. And then you're going to turn around on Thanksgiving and go to carve a ham or a turkey, and all of a sudden it won't work, and you're going to say, man, I should have taken Don's word and used it to cut that galangal root with. Then I'd know that it wasn't working. I could have bought another one instead of being here doing everything by hand. Anyway, I'm just joking with you. But no, it's true. You just watch me do that whole root, and it's done. So if this gave you some ideas, I hope it did. Please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you're in a warm place, go swimming. If you're in a cold place, snuggle up with someone. or something. Big teddy bear or something. I don't know. But be sure and subscribe, and I'll come back and show you some more. I'm gonna show you the what I came up with for 4th of July too. But since we are still on fire restriction, but anyway, y'all stay safe and love you, and hope to see you back here soon. Bye.